In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Roblox codes on both desktop and mobile devices. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And just a quick note as well, this is an updated video to our last one we previously made, but do make sure you watch right until the end to know everything you need to know, and also I'll show you a Roblox code you can go and redeem. Let's get right into this. The first thing you need to do is go to the Roblox website on your desktop, but if you're doing this on a mobile device, then things are a little bit different. So all you want to do is hop on your phone. It doesn't matter what type of phone it is, whether it be an Apple phone, a Samsung phone, it's all going to work the same. And what you need to do is do not use the Roblox app. Then you need to go and open up a browser. So I'm personally using Safari because I'm using an iPhone. And then you need to go to roblox.com. Here we are. And as you can see, it's asking us to go and continue in the app. I need to go and click continue in browser, just like so. And now we're on the Roblox homepage, just like we are on the desktop as well. And the next thing you need to do is go to the URL on both desktop and mobile, and you need to go and type in redeem. So go and remove home and just type in REDEEM, just like so. And as you can see, you do the exact same on mobile as well. And as you can see here, you can go and enter Roblox codes or Roblox promo codes, gift cards, and virtual items as well. So I'm going to go and enter a promo code here. So one I know is called tweet Roblox. So type it in tweet and then Roblox, just like so, and then go and hit redeem. And as you can see, it now says code successfully redeemed, back to redeem, and then you can go and redeem another. Or we can go and check out in our inventory what we just received. We go and enter in the code, but there's tons of codes you can go and find online. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like, subscribe for more Roblox guides. Peace.